iPad 2018, brand new, out of the box. I am very excited to unbox this. I'm sorry that I didn't bring the unboxing video sooner. How the heck do you open this? I was literally traveling, as you guys know. I just came from America today, so I'm kind of jet lagged still, as you guys saw in today's video. But anyways, let's go ahead and open this. Let's go ahead. I'm very excited. I am very excited. And here we have the new gold color. Let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging for a second. Pretty minimal. We've got iPad over here. We've got some info over here. It says iPad 6th generation Wi-Fi. So this is the 6th generation. This is what Apple calls its new iPad. Let's go ahead and open it. Three, two, one. Why is it so hard? And here we have the new 2018 iPad. So let's go ahead and take a look what's inside of the box. We've got a beautiful iPad. Whoa, this is really pink. Guys, this is really pink. I didn't expect it to be this pink. Anyways, we've got the iPad right here. Of course, we've got lightning cable. I don't really know why YouTubers show you what's in the box. You guys all know what it's in the box, but you know, I gotta show you what's in the box. Of course, I gotta show you what's inside of the packet. Of course, there's paperwork in Italian. iPad di darle benvenuto in Spanish. Bienvenido al iPad. In French, bienvenue sur votre iPad. German, welcome in iPad. And I have no idea what this is. And then of course, we've got our magic Apple stickers. Then we've got, of course, our power brick. Alright, that's pretty much it for the unboxing. I have to be honest, I love unboxing products. It's like one of my favorite things. So anyways, let's go ahead and peel the iPad. I just love the sound. It's just so majestic. Just peeling the plastic out of an Apple product is just beautiful. That's the stuff. That is the stuff. Wow, here's the iPad. Beautiful. I love the colors. I love the finish. Let's go ahead and boot it up. Let's see how this does. Wow, the first thing that I can notice is how far the screen is far from the glass. That's really far away. I'm used to my iPad Pro. Probably if you guys have never compared an iPad, you guys would probably not see it. But since I have the iPad Pro, this is different. So what are my thoughts on this new iPad? To be honest, they're pretty good. I'll share, of course, a bunch. I'll do like 2 or 3 videos about this iPad throughout the week. But my honest thoughts, of course, I haven't tested it out so far, but I've seen reviews and I know a lot of stuff about this iPad. And I've heard some really good stuff about this iPad. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing of the iPad. Now let me tell you my honest opinion on this, because as I said, they're really good. But we've got a special announcement. I announced this on today's video that I will be unboxing an Apple Watch. Walmart, as you guys can see right here, they had a deal that was $150 you could get an Apple Watch Series 1. Now, Nikki, why did you buy another Apple Watch since you already have like 3? Well, as you guys know, I'm the owner of Watch Stats, and I am in charge, of course, to take all the Instagram photos. So I needed a silver watch to take photos, so that's why I got it, and it was $150, and it was very affordable, and that's why I got it. 150 bucks, Apple Watch. That's a great deal. Anyways, let's go ahead and continue talking about the iPad, because that's probably why you clicked on this video. Now, I just love how this iPad is just affordable, and I think that's the only key selling feature that it has. I mean, this starts at 300 bucks. And you get Apple Pencil support. I just think that's awesome. I mean, people who can't afford an iPad Pro, which by the way, we will compare the iPad Pro versus this iPad, which is not that far apart. I mean, this iPad is very good, and that's why I love it so much. I love the price. Anyways, we are unboxing an Apple Watch. This is actually pretty awesome. We've got designed by Apple in California, right here. And geez, we've got a brand new Apple Watch right here. Of course, I gotta show you. I gotta show you the paperwork. We've got another Apple Watch band right here. We've got the small, and here I actually never unboxed an Apple Watch Series 1. Hold on, let me get organized for a second. iPad, I'll come back to you in a second. Wow, this unboxing is just all over the place. Sorry that this unboxing is just kind of all over the place. So right here, I've never actually unboxed an Apple Watch Series 1. This is how it's presented. The charger is inside here. How do you get it off? Do I literally break the paper? Oh, no, maybe. Oh, no, that's cool. You just pull it off. That's pretty cool. It's a short one. Pretty nice. Very nice. I have another Apple Watch charger then. That's pretty much it for that. Paperwork. Anyways, let's do this. Let's go ahead and open the Apple Watch. Oh, yeah. That's the stuff. Brand new Apple Watch Series 1, 42 millimeter. By the way, this Apple Watch is not waterproof, which is totally okay. Nice. I've got a silver Apple Watch now. By the way, I'm Apple Watch World. I'm supposed to have a lot of Apple Watches, right? Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, you know what you have to do. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below, what do you guys think of the brand new 2018 iPad? In my opinion, it is so worth it. Every penny is so worth it. I mean, it's 300 bucks. Such a cheap iPad. It's affordable for everybody. The battery actually died while I was finishing the video. That's why I'm finishing it like this. So anyways, guys, hopefully I will see you tomorrow. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next one. By the way, give me video ideas. What video do you guys want to see of the new 2018 iPad? Anyways, peace.